Bonjour à tous et à toutes.
In this video we are going to learn about indefinite articles or
Les articles indéfinis.
in French. In English the indefinite articles is a before a noun starting with consonant n, and before a noun starting with vowel. It refers to something nonspecific. Example: there is a book on the table. Here we are not pointing out on book, that's why we use indefinite article. Let's have a look on indefinite articles in French. In French there are 3 indefinite articles. They are
Un, une, des.
before masculine noun we use
Un,
before feminine noun we use
une.
and before plural noun regardless of gender we use
Des.
if we want to say there are book. In English we don't need article here, but in French we need article. So in French we would say
Il y a des livres.
Now let's see some examples using these articles in French. If there is e at the end, more likely it is a feminine noun. For example, a chair. In French we would say
Une chaise.
a door,
Une porte.
a window.
Une fenêtre.
Let's look at nouns that don't end with e, but are still feminine. For example, a sea. In French we would say
Une mer.
a forest,
Une forêt.
a flower.
Une fleur.
Now let's see the article before a masculine noun, that is
Un,
for example, a book. In French we would say
un livre.
a dog,
Un chien.
a pen,
Un stylo.
a computer,
Un ordinateur.
a garden.
Un jardin.
Now let's see how to use
Des.
in a sentence in French. For example, there are mangoes on the table. In English we can write it without an article, but in French it is mandatory to write articles. So in French we would say
Il y a des mangues sur la table.
In English we will translate it in 2 ways. There are mangoes on the table, or there are some mangoes on the table. Another example: he bought some books, or he bought books. In French we would say
Il a acheté des livres.
next sentence: he bought shoes. So in French we would say
Il a acheté des chaussures.
That's all about indefinite articles. Hope you have understood how to use indefinite articles in a sentence in French.
J'espère que ça vous a plu. Mettez un petit like, abonnez-vous à la chaîne et partagez la vidéo. À très bientôt et au revoir.